Hey, how are y'all doing tonight? So excited, hoping you guys can join me. I want to make sure I've got to go over here on Facebook, make sure I can see your comments because, yeah, if I don't do this, then you could be talking to me and I wouldn't have a clue. Okay, let's do this. Just a moment. Hope you guys are excited. I have a lot of preview stuff to show you. So definitely want to there we go. Right. We are set. So now I can see if y'all come on, if you come on live on my page. So super excited. I'm going to be sharing some stuff that is now. I'm also going to be sharing a couple of brochures ahead. This is campaign 19, so we are in 18 right now. So these will be able to be purchased on the 10th. So they'll be able to be September 10th. These will be online. If you are a local customer, let me know and I can order this stuff now. So just wanted to show you some of the regular items real quick before we jump into Halloween. Give everybody a chance to jump on. So some of the great items I have this time is the Age Platinum Age Delay Serum. This is an overnight serum and it's going to help lift and firm. So I have used this, definitely working in that neck area. And then, of course, you know, if you have some lifting you want to do here. So I mainly put this on, this one isn't mine, but I have it. So I mainly put it on my neck and up the cheek area. Not so much up here because we're not needing to lift. We're just wanting to lift through the jowls, through the cheeks and the neck, of course. So the whole Platinum line is so good for lifting and firming. In the way of perfume, Faraway Bali. Our Faraway line is so great. Go ahead, I want to show you this gorgeous bottle. Faraway Bali was we have a destination every year, and it was our destination perfume. And normally it's limited edition, but this one went over so well that it came on permanently. So Faraway Bali, absolutely love the shape of the perfume. It just looks so nice when you're bringing it out. And it is exotic island vibe with alluring notes of sparkling grapefruit and salted tuberose, accented with warm amber. So it's just that getaway to everything Bali. So yeah, so this has been a great addition to our line, and it's still, yeah, this is the first one that I have seen that went from limited edition to staying in the line, because we don't do that very often. So this one was a huge hit with everyone. Let's see what else we got in here. Show you a few more things. Our clean line of cleansers is really going strong. This one is the Nourishing Cream Cleanser. Seems to be a huge hit with a lot of my customers. Cream cleanser with panthenol, which is vitamin B, 5, and extracts of soothing rosemary and soapwort, nourishing while it cleanses to leave it soft and looking healthy. So this has been one of the really, really good ones that has been added, because I am, with my customers, I'm getting this one ordered over and over and over again. So they're really loving this cream cleanser. Let's see what else. I've got some other things in here. A new platinum eye and lip. You don't often get an eye and lip, a 2-in-1, but with the a new platinum you do. Remember, this is firming, so it's going to firm up the eye and lip area. So this is a great product to go into that line. Let's see. I got some items off of the Shop and Learn. So of course, this, I was so excited to see that the Hip Paws wipes were one of the freebies last Thursday and Friday from Shop and Learn. So I've got another pack of the wipes to throw in my bag. If you missed me talking about them before, they've got a slight rose scent to them. Very, very minimal, but a great wipe for on the go. It's made for menopause or perimenopause, but it would be great to throw in your gym bag for anybody, for an after the gym cleanup, or just a midday, you know. So for those of you going through menopause or perimenopause, this is a great product for you. But yeah, I think it's great for just a cleanup in general. And I was also able to snag on that freebie, the spray, the Hip Paws spray. I do love this one. I have this one already. But I was like, shoot, if I could get it free, why not get another bottle? So I will show you mine real quick. This does have a light rose scent, but oh my gosh, when you put it on, it is cooling, and it continues to cool and refresh even after. You can put this on top of makeup, or after makeup. You can put it, you know, just all over, and it is just a great. It has a very light smell. Some people say it smells like powder. Some people are getting roses. So it just depends, but it's very light. It's not going to be, it's going to be just enough to be refreshing, but not enough to overpower. Absolutely loving this spray. So I thought, hey, if I'm going to get a bottle free, I will take it. Customer has stocked up on the targeted retinol. If you haven't tried this on the fine line, targeted retinol, it is fantastic. It's going to be, you're going to target like the lines on your forehead, and you're going to target like if you have laugh lines. So very targeted. This is retinol, so you're going to want to use this at night, because it is makes you very sensitive to the sun. So you would use it at night, then making sure you wash it off before you go out in the sun the next day. So that's definitely a great product. The other thing that was in the freebie line, which really surprised me, so I'm just so excited to get more, is the Bath and Body Oil, and let's see, what was the other one? I think it was the lotion, and this is the one with the Radiant Renew. This is the one with the retinol. So again, now this doesn't have enough retinol to say that you can't use it during the day. I would suggest still putting on your sunscreen, afterwards. You should always be wearing sunscreen. If we are gonna, spend money on products to get the aging process backwards, we definitely want to be using sunscreen to stop the aging process, because that's the number one aging, is the rays of the sun. Whether you are getting it through a window, at work, at home, you are full outside, you need to be using it all the time. And even, you get the blue coated ray, the glasses, you get the coating for the blue ray from your computer. Yeah, that's still a reason to need sunscreen. It's doing damage. So I love that this is a nice retinol in our Skin So Soft. So iconic meets, new and modern. So you don't have that old herbal smell. This is such a refreshing scent. So glad that I got that in there. But I do want to show you, okay, so we're going to go into, let's go into next campaign. This is kind of a preview, y'all. So excited that they came out with these. This is in the new Ultimate line. But what it is, are for your under eyes. And I just am so excited. You buy the under eye patches, or not patches, but sheet masks, and you only get one per pack, right? For like $4. So $4, you get one treatment and you're done. Well, we have upped that. Yeah, and then my spatula is in there. So you get this, and you get, no, my spatula's not in there. I have to look and see where it is. So this is the brand new Ultimate, and let me open it. And these are eye patches to go under. Okay, there's my, there. So you're going to get a spatula to be able to get out a pair of these. And I don't know if I want to do this right now. With my luck, it's going to go all over. Oh, okay. Oh, shoot. Yep. I just dropped one. So you're going to get 30 pairs of these. Make sure you're careful when you're opening them. Lots of serum in here. So yeah, absolutely loving that. And I dropped some. So there are just a spiral of them and serum in this. And I am going to close this back up so I don't lose any more, because I dropped a couple on my lap. And they are no longer sanitary. So they're going to be just for display with you. So be very careful when you open them, because they will slide out. Okay, so a pair slid out. So this is what they're going to look like. They are a thin gold. Then you will just put them on under your eye, and it's that lovely gold. And it just has so much product. And you're going to leave it on for 15 minutes. Like I said, you're going to get a pair. And then what I will tell you is that you're making sure you have clean hands. If this is on and you've had it on the bottom of your eye, you can go ahead and take it off with clean hands. Take it and put a little bit more serum on it from your container with your little spatula. You're getting a little spatula. And then go ahead and flip it over and put it on the top of the eye. No reason to just be taking care of the lower part. You need to be taking care of the upper part. So you're going to get 30 pairs. Absolutely love that extra serum. I'm going to rub it in, because if it's good for my face, it's good for my hands. That's for sure. And this is going to take care of dark circles and, let's see. Revitalize your eyes with these hydrogel eye patches designed to help visibly brighten, depuff, firm the appearance of the under eye. Yes, I need all of that. Reduces the look of dark circles. I do get a little bit of darkness under here. I'm going to have my husband try them. So I will see if I can snatch a picture of them with him having them on. And because he fights the dark circles and the puffiness. And I will tell you one thing too. These will be going in the refrigerator because I love any type of my eye product to be cold when I put it on. So I will be slipping these in the door of my refrigerator and definitely getting those nice and cold so that they are refreshing. And then we also had that came with that is, I'm looking in the box here, y'all. This is an unboxing, so let's see. I got some bags, but I believe this is it. So the other thing, yes, the other thing we came out with is, so I showed you the line eraser that we've had for like I said, the laugh lines and up here. This is a 0.1% retinol for under eye. So you can do on the opposite times that you're doing your little, the mask, you can do the retinol under the eye and just get the rejuvenation from that. Formulated for the delicate eye area, designed to improve visible signs of aging like fine lines, wrinkles, dark circles, puffiness for a more youthful and refreshed appearance. Like I said, this is going to have retinol 0.1%. We have our other retinol is 1%, but this is a 0.1 because we're working with the delicate part of that eye. And it also has panthenol, caffeine, and shea butter. All wonderful products for doing all of those good things under the eye. So I'm going to let you guys know exactly how these are. Hi, Carol. So super excited that these are coming.